Now I want to show you another time-saving feature of RoomSketcher. So say you have this floor plan here, and you want to make an alternate floor plan. For example, one with the kitchen open to the living area and a small child's room off of this large bedroom. Let me show you how easy it is. Just open your project in the RoomSketcher app. First, I want to open up the kitchen to the living area. I'm in Walls mode, so I can simply click the Select button, select each wall, and press the trash bin. Super easy. I also want to add a wall here to create a small child's room. I'll click the Thin Wall button, and then draw a wall here. Next, I'll open Windows, etc. mode, and then click to select a door, and click to place it. Now, just save and generate the floor plans. Here's my original floor plan, and here's the alternative.